Kristen again doing a review for Arrela. They sell this mattress on Amazon. It's called SmartSpeed Car Air Mobile Bedroom Mattress for travel. And it comes with this wonderful pump right here. All you do is plug it up to your cigarette lighter charger thing in the car. So I'm going to pump this up real quick. It only takes a few seconds. Push these things in. There's 2 chambers that you need to fill. And then you just push this in, and the second chamber is over here. Push that in. Those chambers right here fill in the space between the seats so the mattress doesn't tip over. So it's level. Alright, Con, come on over. Come lay in it. See how cozy it is? Super cozy. I'm taking a little nap in here. My son's gonna come in here and lay. Don't hit the... Come on and lay. Lay that way so they can see you. Wave hi.
Thank you.
Okay, now get on out. There's one more thing you can do with this. It doesn't fit in my car very well because I don't have spaces in between my seats. So get out, Cohen. Okay, I'm going to set this right here. Oops, sorry. Since this doesn't work in my car, because I drive a SUV, we're going to use it in our living room as a little couch. Sit on it like that. There you go. Say bye.
Bye. Hi.
Oh, and it sells on Amazon. Arrela sells it, and it retails for $79.99 with free shipping. Bye.
Hi.
How come it doesn't fit in the back seat?
It's still recording.